Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My makeup look in this video is with neon fluorescent shades. These colors feel refreshingly different from the regular metallics, smoky looks, browns and pinks. So let's start. I start off with an eyeshadow primer first and apply it all over my eyes. This helps the colors stay in place and last longer. The look which I have created is with the Salvation palette by Makeup Revolution and Color Chaos. You can however use any palette with neon or electric shades in them. When I play with funky colors such as neon ones, I apply a base of white color on the eyes. This lends a good canvas to the colors and helps them pop out well. You could also use a white pencil or a white pigment. I'm using the shade called Tip X from this palette. The next shade I go with is called Toxic Apple Teeny. This is the main shade of the look. It is a luscious mix of lime green and yellow. It's quite unconventional and not something that you see often. I just apply it all over my eyelids. I do the outer corners of the eyes with a shade called Deliver Me. It's a metallic turquoise blue. I apply a generous amount in the outer corners of the eyes and blend the product inwards. I prefer sticking to a simple highlighting shade to color the arch of my eyebrows. I have taken a very tiny bit of the shade called Ammunition from the palette and used it as a transition color. You could also opt for any light berry color instead of this. I line my eyes with a jet black eyeliner. You could try keeping the eyeliner slightly thin so that the colors show more. For the brows, I use this palette by NYX called Eyebrow Cake Powder. I fill up my brows a little bit and groom them out with a spoolie. This palette has a separate gel formula which helps keep the brows in place. I just clean up the edges with the concealer. You can watch my video on concealer hacks in the link below. I fill up my waterline with a brown pencil by Colorbar. I apply lots of mascara to open up my lashes. For the complexion, I use the MAC Studio Fix foundation in NC25. It's my go-to foundation and no matter how many times I experiment with other foundations, I always end up coming back to this one. After foundation, apply a little bit of L'Oreal's True Match Concealer on the under eye area and blend it out. I'm using the contour color from the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting palette. It is in a cream formula which makes blendability very easy, so I'm just going to sculpt my cheeks and nose for a more chiseled look. For the lips, I apply some concealer first. This helps the lips in looking plumper. That's just a little bit of highlighting on the Cupid's bow. I just outline my lips first before I apply the lipstick. I apply a nude shimmery lip color by Australis Cosmetics called Seoul. This color goes well with these funky eye colors. So that's my final look. It always feels refreshing in trying new and different colors. If you like this video, do press the like button. Also do subscribe to my channel Makeup by Deepika K for more colorful makeup videos. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and goodbye.